lagu kayak begini.
God, you look so good right now.
Iya, pemirsa, terima kasih masih kembali lagi di White Shot Metro TV. Dukungan dari musisi kepada sosok Joko Widodo terus mengalir dan sejak zaman kampanye lewat konser Revolusi Mental dan puncaknya tentunya pada acara syukuran rakyat kemarin. Salah satunya Arkarna. Kabarnya Arkarna rela tampil cuma-cuma tanpa dibayar sepeser pun sebagai bentuk dukungannya untuk Presiden Joko Widodo.
Arkarna dan Jokowi, dua nama yang belakangan sering mencuat bersamaan sejak nama Jokowi masuk dalam bursa presidensial. Kedatangan Arkarna ke Jakarta memang erat kaitannya dengan presiden asal Solo ini. Jokowi pernah berjanji akan mengundang Arkarna jika dirinya terpilih sebagai presiden. Lewat akun resmi Twitternya, Arkarna sempat mencuitkan konfirmasi akan bermain di acara pelantikan Jokowi. Band asal Inggris ini juga mengaku bangga turut ambil bagian dalam kemeriahan pelantikan yang digelar pada Senin 20 Oktober lalu. Dan puncaknya, pada pagelaran syukuran rakyat yang digelar di Monas, band beraliran rock elektronik ini bersedia manggung secara cuma-cuma. Bahkan, tiket pesawat pun dibeli secara sukarela oleh mereka sendiri.
To Mr. President Jokowi, I would say congratulations, and I would say I'm looking forward to the future, and I'm excited. And I feel positive that things will become better for everyone involved. He seems, like I say, like humble, like honest, like clean, you know, and he seems like just like a good guy. He seems like the guy that I would like to lead my country. If I had a country, I would elect him.
Masyarakat begitu antusias dan riuh menyaksikan penampilan Arkarna. Penampilan Arkarna semakin mengejutkan ketika tiba-tiba memainkan melodi sebuah lagu nasional Indonesia. Dengan bahasa Indonesia yang cukup fasih, Oli menyanyikan lagu karya Gombloh yang akrab di telinga orang Indonesia, Gebiar Gebiar. Dukungan para musisi memberi pengaruh besar terhadap Jokowi. Tentu, dukungan ini tidak seorang diri. Ada harapan yang mengikutinya. Harapan agar seniman musik lebih diperhatikan di pemerintahan yang baru. Congratulations, Mr. President. Tim Liputan, Metro TV.
Dan pemirsa, langsung saja saya perkenalkan sudah hadir di studio Wide Shot Metro TV. Tada! Arkarna. Halo Oli. Halo Tim. Halo Matt. Ada personil baru Arkarna.
Halo.
Ada juga kedatangan pengamat musik Indonesia, ada Andre Opa yang lebih akrab dipanggil Opa. Ini dia Arkarna sudah hadir ke studio Wide Shot Metro TV. Pasti semua pemirsa semua penasaran bahwa hey, ada apa sih sebetulnya Arkarna kok begitu rela untuk mendukung seorang sosok Presiden ke-7 Republik Indonesia. Guys, there's a lot of questions come to Metro TV. Why you guys support our president, and is there any like special relationship earlier or previously between you and Jokowi?
I mean, I have to admit, it was like really nice that he came to our gig last year and we sung a song together, and that was amazing. But it was also coincidentally awesome that he is such an amazing guy. So we were just lucky. We were lucky that, you know, he was the one to approach us, right? Because then we looked into his background and we sort of found out about him, and we talked to people and we met him and chatted to him, and he seems like very humble, honest, you know, he listens to people. And
he seems very genuine.
Yeah.
He seems like if you took away his prestige of who he is, what his job is, he's still a very, very lovely man, and he's the kind of man that we would like to know anyway, you know? Yeah, definitely.
So, beside the music things you guys talk about, is there any, like a special request from Jokowi? As we know, our president really love a heavy metal genre music, right? And you guys like a very pop and electronical and rock music. Is there any special request, like why don't we jam together and let's just sing any particular song, Oli?
Well, we did, you know, we were foreseeing that could be a possibility, so that was why we did the Kebyar song.
The Gebyar, Gebyar. Coba sekali lagi, Oli pengen denger Gebyar.
Yes, okay, Gebyar.
Gebyar. Itu adalah sebuah penampilan yang.
So it's spelled with a K. That's why, you know, it's spelled with. When you look up the title of the song, it's spelled with a K on YouTube. So I pronounce it with a K, but maybe it is G.
It's G. Yes. Jadi pemirsa, tahunya Oli ini Gebyar-gebyar itu tulisannya pakai K, gitu, kebiar. Jadi begitu kemarin nyanyi kebiar, kebiar. But then again, it's like a awesome performance. Once again, behalf of Indonesian people, I feel flattered.
Thank you very much.
Big applause for Arkarna. Tapi ini saya pengen lihat opini dari seorang Andre Opa, musisi papan atas begitu luar negeri, kesini langsung begitu begitu vokal dalam memberikan dukungan kepada Jokowi. Ini sebuah hal yang patut diapresiasi sebagai bangsa Indonesia, Bung Opa.
Menurut saya sih ini fenomenal sekali ya. Istilahnya gini, ini sebuah mulai dari kampanye kan, mereka ikut bersuara gitu, sebuah kampanye di negeri yang jauh dari rumah mereka. Gitu, dari Inggris, Indonesia jauh, dan mereka begitu ingin mensupport gitu dengan seorang Jokowi. Itu sesuatu yang buat saya dan buat banyak orang juga merasa bahwa wow, ini mereka emosi sekali. Gitu.
Bisa diceritakan nggak kepada pemirsa bahwa awalnya Arkarna kan katanya yang approach duluan, yang untuk ini kita mau ikutan gabung di sebuah konser syukuran rakyat untuk memperingati syukuran tentunya peringatan Jokowi dilantik resmi pada hari itu. Jadi
waktu kita kebetulan saya koordinator artis untuk acara itu. Jadi ketika kita ngobrol-ngobrol siapa aja artisnya sudah terdaftar, Slang pasti ya, dan artis yang lain udah mulai terdaftar. Terus tiba-tiba ada yang bilang Arkarna gimana? Ya tapi kita tidak punya katakanlah bukan, kalau kontak ada Abdi selalu kontak with Net ya Abdi, tapi kita tidak punya biaya untuk mendatangkan mereka.
Oh, jadi ini benar-benar tidak dibayar?
Iya, tapi tiba-tiba Abdi bilang, Mat, teks Abdi bahwa kita akan berangkat, kita sudah beli tiket.
Really?
Yeah,
like seriously?
You text
like seriously?
Abdi,
you guys didn't get paid at all?
No, we didn't ask for anything. For us, it was the honour of supporting just such an amazing cause and such an amazing moment in history. You know, we've always had our home firm in Indonesia. I mean, you know, I always openly say that I have more friends and people in Indonesia than I have in the UK. So I think for us, you know, we kind of feel so at home, and you know, someone such as Jokowi is asking for us to play, it's the biggest honour and compliment I think that we'll probably ever get in our lives.
It was a great opportunity to give back to Indonesia. You've all given us so much.
That's really nice. Jadi confirm ya, tidak ada bayaran apapun
dan kita kaget langsung kan. Terus gimana nanti?
Ada juga terusan ya, kagetnya seperti apa? Kita akan temukan jawabannya sesaat lagi. Selepas jeda pariwara berikut ini, pemirsa tetaplah di Wide Shot Metro TV. Ya pemirsa, terima kasih masih kembali lagi di Wide Shot Metro TV, masih bersama Arkarna. Diperlihatkan dulu dong Arkarnanya mana? Cadan! Nah ini dia, sudah hadir bagi Anda yang baru bergabung. Arkarna sudah hadir di studio Metro TV. Kita akan tanya dulu apakah ada pengalaman menarik atau pengalaman lucu sepanjang Arkarna nempel begitu dengan Jokowi. Is there any funny story related with our President Jokowi or any unique moment? I think Matt will tell us story first. Matt, please.
Yeah, I mean it was an amazing day, and we spent a lot of time chatting about the music industry and various things that we had coming up, and drank some incredible tea. Coming from the UK, we like our tea, So we got to the end of our meeting, and as we arrived, it was very quiet. So there was no one there, and I asked if we could use the lavatory, Yes. And I didn't realise that all the reporters and
the press,
all the press were outside the door, literally. So as soon as we left the room, it was just pure chaos. There was cameras flashing. Everyone was just excited, and Jokowi very, very calmly and politely just had to go. Just 1 second, guys, and direct me to the toilets.
Save you.
Yeah, so there's a lot of photographs of Jokowi pointing, and that's him saying, the toilets are that way.
Begitu kagetnya seorang Matt begitu melihat antusiasme dari pers yang dia hanya ingin menikmati teh asli Indonesia, padahal English breakfast juga enak ya, tapi teh Indonesia lebih enak, dia bilang gitu.
Teh poci mungkin ya?
Iya, teh poci itu pasti teh khas Indonesia, dan akhirnya dengan bingung Matt keluar, kok ada pres di mana-mana, akhirnya Jokowi menyelamatkan dia dengan toilet di sebelah sini. Begitu. Okay, so
so just to say, that just shows that the president can deal with any situation.
Yes, that's the
which
point.
is awesome.
Okay, so speaking of your musical career yourself, is there any possibility that Arkarna will make any records with all the positivity from Indonesian people here, that we're longing for your next album? We know, like, a lot of followers you on Twitter also came from Indonesia. A lot of friends. Matt told me earlier he has a lot of friends from Indonesian people in the UK.
We will be doing new stuff. I mean, Matt broke his leg like really badly, his thigh, and so he wasn't actually be able to.
Patah kakinya, Matt.
Yeah.
What happened to you?
I've had one life-saving operation, and I was so fortunate not to tear an artery, because the break was there was nothing touching at all, so they were worried that I might have torn the artery in the leg, because if that happens, you'll bleed out and you won't survive. So I had to have a life-saving operation, and then another one as a bone graft operation. So I've had 2 metal pins. I still have one there now, which may or may not need to be removed. I'm still waiting to find out. But I can walk. I'm still having physiotherapy and a lot of aftercare. But I've got to the stage now where I'm kind of back and able to be actively doing things. So it's a really exciting time. I think at the moment there's so much positive energy going on, and we're going to be certainly looking to do as much as possible to please everyone and to give back everything that we receive. So.
Okay, well, we will wait. Is there any, maybe you get inspired by our positive energy here in Indonesia.
Absolutely.
Opa, nanti kita akan tanya apakah dengan inspirasi yang datang dari masyarakat Indonesia akan merubah genre musik dari mereka, atau justru dipengaruhi oleh musik favorit Jokowi.
Malah bisa bikin lagu Indonesia mungkin ya.
Gara-gara gebiar-gebiar tadi ya. Kita akan temukan jawabannya sesaat lagi, pemirsa, tetaplah di Wide Shot Metro TV. Terima kasih pemirsa, masih kembali lagi di Wide Shot Metro TV, masih bersama Arkarna. Tadi sebelum jeda pariwara saya bertanya pada seorang pengamat musik bahwa mungkinkah Arkarna akan membuat featuring album dengan Jokowi atau single, Opa bisa dijawab?
Kalau mungkin aja saya rasa ya. Dan siapa tahu aja mereka mau bikin lagu tentang Indonesia, tentang Jokowi, atau collaboration with Mr. President.
Is there the possibility you guys make a feature with Jokowi and then make another new music genre, pop, electronic, and then rock, and then heavy metal? Do you think? I
think. Well. You're suggesting that we do a collaboration with the president? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Well, I think maybe we'll test him out, see what his voice is like. No, honestly, we would love to do that. We're going to test the water, but we're not too hopeful.
Honestly, bagus loh Jokowi suaranya.
Yeah,
that's a really nice voice.
Like a year ago when he came on stage with us and sung a song, it was incredible. But I think maybe times have changed. Things change in 6 months.
Maybe about songs about Indonesia, perhaps then.
Songs about Indonesia, yeah. I think as a group, as we work and almost live in Indonesia more and more nowadays, I think we're getting inspired more and more by the people.
Getting attached with our country.
So I think that's naturally going to come out through our music in future things that we write. So yeah, watch this space.
Kita akan lihat nanti ya. Maybe we'll see.
Yeah.
Ada berapa hari until what next day you gotta stay here in Indonesia?
We're here till Sunday.
Till Sunday. Okay. There's a lot of plenty beautiful things, or a beautiful place that you're about to go, right?
You know what? We've been literally, we've been surviving on so little sleep. We got back last night at 5 a.m. We are up at 8 a.m. We don't really have any time when we're here. It's just everything's just so busy and hectic, and it's a lifestyle that we've adapted to. So we never treat our time as a holiday. It's always kind of like we want to see as many people as possible and to please as many people as possible. Because it's a very short space of time, and you want to make the most and know that when you're on the flight going back to the UK that you didn't waste a minute.
Just like your song, so little time, so much to do.
Exactly.
Okay.
That song has basically dominated our entire lives.
Tapi, do you still remember the lyric of Gebiar Gebiar? Can you sing a little bit of Gebiar Gebiar on my count? 1, 2. Oh my God! 1, 2, 3.
I can't actually. No, I was reading the words phonetically. I wrote them down.
Okay.
I actually have to admit, I'm not 100% sure what they mean.
Okay, so what?
So you have to. I know that part. That's about as much as I can
do. Can you please sing that little bit part of that for Indonesians?
You've got me on the spot right now.
No. Okay, you know what? Let's just sing their signature song here in Indonesia. So little time, so much to do. Please.
Okay, good. Should we do it all together?
Yes, two together. Okay. On my count. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 3, 4. So little time, so much to do. I'd rather spend my days with you. So little time, so much to do. I'd like to spend one day with you. And if that day is not enough, maybe we can stay in touch. But I'm not making plans for tomorrow.